Happy Saraswati Puja holidays for us. This is Vinod from IF Academy and Excel Snippet YouTube channel. We are in Excel EUS series 4.0. Normally when we are coming to the day called Saraswati Puja, we don't normally read and write, neither write. But we should not also create a YouTube video here, but I'm creating a YouTube video for us. So that we can learn something new, and this video will be podcasted for you tomorrow on the day where we all have to read, the Vijayadashmi day, and it's a good day to start some new habit or new knowledge addition to our list here. In today's video we are about to compare and contrast the two team members that we had discussed in our previous video on video number 16 in our Excel series 4.0. This time around I want to find out how many of them are there in my data set who are still in the list here. So I want to just find out that how many of them are there in the list who are only a part of the data set here and who are not a part of the data sets here. I want to find out that. For this I'm going to use a COUNTIF function if condition, which is literally a old school methods of extracting or finding out whether they are existing in the data set or not. In our previous video we used advanced filter and filter option of Office 365. In our current data I'm going to use the if and COUNTIF, which belongs to the old school methodology or all version formula, but I'm going to apply that in an Office 365 spill effect without using as cell references here. So let's see how I'm going to do that. I'm going to just place the cursor in the first list. I'm going to just say equals COUNTIF. I'm going to start with inside out formula here. I'm going to select the ranges that I want here, and then I'll give a comma, and then I'll go back to my data set and then choose the list and close the bracket and give an enter. That's going to populate the list. Wherever the particular team member available in the new list, wherever we have a new team member is defined by ones and zeros here. Now I want to add an if condition here, and then I'm going to say if this particular guy is an existing member, then show that as an existing member here, and I'm going to just say maybe a hashtag for him, and then when he is a new member, so I'm going to just say new member here, and then I'm going to give a question mark for him and then close the bracket and give an enter. That's going to populate all my answers. Wherever we have an existing member here who comes with a hashtag in it, wherever there is a new member comes in place here in replacement, I know that who are replaced with whom right now, and then I can get those dimension really well. So now I want to make sure one more dimension to be added in this list that I will add in our next video, where we will see all my new members are colored completely, so that I know the colors if they are coming from different teams here. So if the members are not in the same name, then they are going to differentiate the color. If they are belong to the same name, then the colors will come automatically for us. So we can see all this dimension really well, and how many of them are coming from a new list. So you can see that these are the people are already there available, even though the data sets are ordered in an alphabetical order for us. So in our YouTube channel IF Academy Snippet, I am adding a new program called Learning VBA in Excel. This particular videos are paid services for us. I'm going to add the video number 2 and so on and so forth will be in paid services. If you are a member of my team, you will get this, or if you're a member of my YouTube channel, you will get it, and this is going to cost you 199 rupees to learn this. And every new program that you're going to add, or every new program that you're going to learn from IF Academy will be automatically added at 199 for you. You get all the videos, all the documentation that I'm doing here, all the presentation that I'm doing here, all Excel files will all be added separately to the members here. So non-members, don't worry about it. We are still learning something new always. I'm giving you the first priorities, as I do for my new members who are going to join in my membership too. So you can get these videos in our list continuously, and then our new additions and learnings will never stop. And if you are new to this channel, please do like the video, follow our IF Academy Snippet channel, and then subscribe it if you are not done that before. And please do share all my videos to all your friends and foes and all your relatives too. By that way, you are keeping me intact, and I'm gonna learn a lot of information, and I'm gonna keep learning more and then keep posting more videos for us. Thank you so much. Enjoy your long weekend and happy puja holidays. Happy updating.